Have you tried these Mother's Day cakes from Little Debbie? Me neither. Let's check them out together right now. Happy Mother's Day to every mother out there. All right, so one of our subscribers actually asked for a request. He said, do you do any Little Debbie? So one of our subscribers asked for a request. He said, do you take requests? I said, sure, what you got? He said, can you do Little Debbie reviews? And I'm like, absolutely. And this one intrigued me because strawberry. I love strawberry. My mother loves strawberry. This is Mother's Day strawberry cakes. They look like they got lots of vanilla frosting or icing, as you want to call it. I don't know what you call it. And it has strawberry cake inside and more cream filling. So, hey, that looks good to me. All right, let's open this puppy up and give it a try somehow or another. Now, I hope you guys don't give this to your mother for Mother's Day, all right? Because she deserves something much bigger than Little Debbie's cakes. Not that there's anything wrong with Little Debbie's cakes, but you know, you gotta take your mom out or make her brunch. That's what you do, make your mom brunch. That's what I want to do, but she's in New Jersey now. Ugh, New Jersey. Anyway, here we go. Let's take one of these out. And here's what they look like, the whole package of them. All right, here it is. All right, they look pretty decent, right? Let's try one. Now they have they're famous for their peanut butter sticks, kind of. I don't know what they're called, but they're like this, except this one is strawberry, the other ones are peanut butter. Same idea though, same concept. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, do me a favor before we even begin this. I want you to guess what you think the score is going to be. 1 to 10, 10 being the best. All right, now it has a nice strawberry aroma to it. That's important. Because what I do here at Sunny Reviews is I see it, smell it, taste it, and rate it. All right, let's try this. Okay, it has a nice, smooth texture to it. Tasting a little salt. Add salt in here. But look how bright red that is. That's like an unnatural strawberry red. It's really not bad. It's what I like about it. The cake part is moist. Okay. So many times I've gotten snack cakes from a convenience store, from gas stations, from Walmart, supermarkets, whatever. And the snack cakes all suffer from the main thing of being dry. Dry snack cakes are dead snack cakes. Moist snack cakes are good snack cakes. Those are rules to live by. Anyway, yeah, look, it looks good, right? I think strawberries and cream. Strawberries go with cream, right? That's why they call it strawberries and cream. Or do they? I don't know. Peaches and cream they do, but strawberries, yeah, strawberry cream, that's a thing. Strawberries and whipped cream, right? So anyway, this is good. I like it. It's definitely something I would get again. And if I was a mother, I wouldn't mind my kid giving me some strawberries, what do they call this? Oh, think of strawberry shortcake. That's kind of what it's like. All right, this is a winner. Winner, Mother's Cake Dinner. Boom. All right, guys, let me know what you think. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, 7.5. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next Sunny Reviews. Later, Gators.